Actually, this project title is uh, IoT based voting system using Arduino and fingerprint sensor and RFID reader, then keyboard for entering the passwords. So here we have used three kind of boards. One is Arduino Uno, which is interfaced with LCD. Another one is fingerprint. We have put the same Arduino board for interfacing the fingerprint sensor. So which is used for registering the number of persons and adding the user and all. So based on the this board, we can able to add the user whenever you want to add, and you can remove also. So both can be done. So which will be allocated some user ID like 0 or 1 2 or something. This board is communicating through Arduino with the help of UART protocol. At the same time, that RFID reader also is interfaced with the Arduino. So that is also is interfaced to through UART protocol only. This 4x4 matrix keyboard is which is used for entering the password, and the other one is the ESP8266, which is used for IoT, so pushing the data into server, cloud server. So these three buttons are which is used for polling the vote. So this project can be used for many or major projects, diploma and BE students. So here based on the fingerprint and based on the voter ID, or voter ID is nothing but RFID, then password, based on three parameters the vote will be polled and it will be uploaded into website, cloud website. So in front end we use the PHP based website, in back end we have used the SQL database and all. Okay, so this project is useful for diploma and BE and many projects, many for the engineering students. Thank you.